Hi guys, and I'm back with the final journal for today, and this one is a smaller version of my Timeless Victorian from Seneca Ponds. This one is a one signature journal, and I love it. So what I've done with this cover is I've glossy accented a little bit, and I glossy accented the bird, and I have a little envelope here with some trim and little flower as a pull tab and the little tag, and some fibers, and I have the metal corners front and back. Did some stitching, used seam binding for the closure, and then ran some of that pretty lavender trim on the spine, and I've used a bow, seam binding bow, and some bling on the spine. So let's get right into it, and I'll have the measurements and the page count on the Etsy listing as well. So you open it up and you have a little tag here. You can write your name or anything you want there. It's been stitched around. You have a pocket, and then you have a postcard that's been stitched around onto coffee dyed paper, and of course this book belongs to, I always put this in there, and that goes in there. And oh, so beautiful. I love this collection. And again, 4 pages have lace on the edge. Beautiful paper, coffee dyed paper with my little hint of shimmer. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe not. It's there. I had this trim, and I just wanted to use it because it has some beads dangling from it, and I just had to put at least one piece. I love it so much. So I did that there. And then another ephemera piece. And this is some more notebook paper that I glimmer misted there. Half sheet. You can see the doily imprint. And tracing paper, another pocket. This is some of her sheets that I shrunk down and made into tags. Love it. That goes right in there. And I put some stationery sheets in here that I had in my stash. So, and then you have music, sheet music, and then you have another little flip down with some collaging lace and fibers and flowers, and that flips down. And then in here you have an image cut apart from her kit. Some lace there, and a magnetic closure here, envelope with some flat back pearls and some fun fibers there, and a little tag. And here I did a sideways little pocket. Put some lace on this side and some fun fibers here. Little envelope from extra journaling that gets tucked there. And this beautiful lady from her kit gets put in there. This is her graph paper. I love it. It's so different. And then this is vintage poetry book that I have. More of that stationery paper that I have. More of that graph paper. Look at how beautiful. Because I get bored of just using regular graph paper. That is like, if that doesn't yell at you spring and summer, I don't know what does. A little window, which is a tuck. I just don't have anything in there, but you can put something in there. Middle of the signature. And in here I just put a tag backed with coffee dyed papers, or paper. I'm tired, guys, I'm sorry. Put a little window here you could write on, and then some lace here. More of that graph. Cute little bunny here. Another one of her pages I shrunk. And then that's more graph paper. It says beauty. Another flip. More graph or line sheet. I'll link that that kit below too. This is her coin envelopes, and I hinged it on lace so you don't lose your page here. And this is a glassine bag. I don't have anything in it. You can definitely put something in there. I might just do a fern letter and put it in there. That's what I'll do. Whoever purchases this book, don't worry, I'll put a fern letter in there. But it has the little envelope here. And some fabric and some eyelet, more fabric, lace and fibers. It's fun. This is one of those library cards, and it has more of my die cuts, a little cute bow and trim and lace, and then back here I have a little envelope which is coffee dyed paper you can write on. Tracing paper. And here I took one of her images and I just had a piece of that material, that handkerchief I've been cutting off, and I just backed it on that for texture. And this is a calling card. I just put some lace there. One of her pages I just shrunk down to use as a card. And this is the back of it. In that pocket. So this one will be listed as well on my Etsy. So that is it, guys. That is it for today. I'm exhausted. I was up at 3 o'clock as every day, and I have to go out. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and for always stopping by, and leave your comments. Let me know what kind of journals would you guys like to see, if any. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Once I hit 150 subscribers, I'm gonna have a little giveaway. So I can't believe how fast I'm climbing up there. So thank you very much. And yeah, have a great weekend, guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.